Let's make a bird chirper. Here's what you need. You need a plastic bottle, could be any size almost, a plastic bottle, and you got to cut a slot in the side of it. So you're going to need a pair of scissors or a sharp blade. Now if you're cutting a slot in the side of this, make sure you cut the slot in the plastic bottle, not in your hand. Be very careful using sharp stuff, all right? Maybe get help. Once you cut the slot in the side of the bottle like this, you have to poke a hole in the bottom and put a string in there. This is a shoelace. You can use a string, or a skinny shoelace is best. When you twirl it around, the air is going to rush in and out of this slot, causing the air to vibrate and make a chirpy sound. Here's a smaller one. Sounds like a little tiny birdie. Here's two small ones attached together like this. Four of them. Here's a bigger one. A medium-sized one. It's for the birds.